Hello students, in this video class we are going to discuss about the logical connective, that is conjunctive. Okay, it is also called as and. It is also called as and. It is represented by the symbols dot, okay, or you can say single ampersand or inverted V, the exponent symbol. Okay, so you can use dot, you can use single ampersand, or you can use this inverted V. Okay, example. Yes, example, if we have two propositions. If we have two propositions, say the first proposition is represented by variable P, okay, and the second proposition is represented by variable Q. Suppose P is holding the value, it is raining, and Q is holding the value, it is blowing. Okay, suppose we have two propositions. Now, in order to join these two propositions by the conjunctive, so how it can be done or how it is written? Then their conjunctive can be written as, then their conjunctive can be written as, we can write P dot Q, this is also correct, okay, or you can write P single ampersand Q, this is also correct, or you can also write P inverted V Q, so this is also correct. Okay, clear? So if you find dot in between two variables or two propositions, then you can say yes, this symbol is the symbol of conjunctive. Or if you find single ampersand between two propositions, okay, or two propositional variables, then you can say this symbol is conjunctive symbol. Or if you find inverted V in between two propositional variables, then you can say this operator or this connective is called as conjunctive. So you can use dot, or you can use single ampersand, you can use inverted V. Is this clear? Okay. Now listen. Listen. The result will be true if both P and Q are true. Yes or no? It is similar to AND operation. The result will be true if both the propositions, that is P and Q, P is the first proposition, Q is the second proposition, will or are true. If both the propositions are true. If both the propositions are true. Okay. Otherwise, in other cases, the result will be false. The result will be false. Okay. Now listen. Truth table for the logical connective conjunctive. Okay, conjunctive. Suppose P is the first proposition Q is the second proposition. So conjunctive, how to represent conjunctive? You can write P dot Q, or you can write P single ampersand Q, or you can write P inverted V Q. See, if it is V, it is OR operation. If it is inverted V, it is AND. OR is also called as disjunctive and is also called as what? Conjunctive. Okay, yes. Now listen. See, if the values are true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. So if both the statements are true, then we can say yes, it is true. In other cases, if any single proposition is false, the final result will be false. Here also it will be false. Here both are false, so it will be false. So this is the truth table for the logical connective, that is conjunctive, that is conjunctive. It is similar to the AND operation. Okay. Okay, so these symbols represent AND. P dot Q means P and Q. This is AND. Okay, AND. Clear? So you can use dot, you can use single ampersand, you can use inverted. It depends upon you. Clear? So in the next class, we will discuss about the conditional, which is also called as implication or if then. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.